You could get a better understanding before installing. Unscrew the screws. Remove the buckle. Please clean off any residual adhesive on both sides of the head valve. Cut off the old leather and be careful with the force to avoid cutting the inner PVC sheet. Peel off the old foam. You can see the details above. Align the PVC sheet with the headband base. Warp the leather around the headband base. Align the plush with the Velcro and stick them firmly together. Peel off the double-sided tape, then pull the leather down and secure it under the upper plastic part. Peel off the double-sided tape, stick the leather onto the bottom plastic part. Make sure the leather completely wraps the plastic part. Cover the buckle. Twist in the screws. You can see the details above. Don't leave the plastic part exposed, as it will affect the aesthetics. And you'll get a brand new pair of headphones.